Alright, this weekend's journey is Monster Cup in Las Vegas. Headed to pick up Josh and Phil, who are going to join me. We're driving straight through to Vegas for the live filming of the Damon podcast show. Stoked for that. We got a lot planned. It's going to be a fun weekend. Excited to document it all. We ready? Hi. Puppies. Getting ready to go to the Pulp Show. Josh is
This
already
guy's
thinking.
gonna be there.
Yeah.
Villopoto.
RV's racing.
Get some.
Found out on the drive over. What's up, Phil?
Just hanging out.
All right.
Or there's gonna be dirt bikes.
There will be dirt bikes. Cool.
Strap in and get ready. It's showtime.
Am I on? Am I on? Oh,
What
sorry,
up?
it's on.
Yeah.
Are you back? Are you back?
I'm back for tomorrow.
So, you were just riding, I feel pretty good? Can I race?
Yeah, so 6 weeks.
Black rims, gold hubs in the carpet pipes. Got my pipe looking loud, now it ain't polite. When I pull up to the truck, I got the best bike. Looking hard as fuck, I call this shit a Western pipe.
The Palms. Got to talk to Mathis, talk to Kiefer for a while. It's pretty sick. These two met up with JT. Josh worked some kind of VIP deal. We're gonna have a good day tomorrow. It's gonna be awesome. Saturday morning. Headed to Speed Vegas, drive some cars. Phil, what are you driving today?
Driving a Lamborghini, Ferrari, and a Porsche.
All right, Josh, you doing the same
Ditto.
thing? Same thing. All right.
Ditto.
Driving a Lamborghini and a Ferrari, so should be fun. Thank you. Hello. I'm gonna go check out some cars that these guys are checking out. Let's see what we're dealing with. Said all the cars are open, you just go check them out, so why not? These controls. This is gonna be so fun. Alright. And I got upgraded to the 488 because the 458 was down, so they just upgraded me no cost. I'm excited. Should be good. What lap time are you calling, Phil?
What's that?
What's your lap time gonna be? Best time.
110s, minute 10.
Alright.
No.
I want to see a 109. Alright, Josh. Phil called a 109. What's your time gonna be? Actually, I called a 109.4.
At least a second.
He said 110.
At least a second faster than him.
Okay.
Easily.
All right.
Easily.
All right.
Hey Phil, fuck your national championships.
Phil in the Huracan. Oh, this is the Gallardo. Josh, getting ready to go out. What's up? Phil's flying by on the yellow Gallardo. Here comes Josh. Beat Phil's time?
No.
What happened?
So really, how was Phil? Was he good?
He was fantastic.
I'll bet.
So
He looked pretty
actually, if you
controlled out
watch
there.
this video, like after like the first lap, because I got to feel him out, just
Yeah.
out of safety for safety.
Yep.
We actually, the whole last like 3 laps, we were just talking about kart racing and doing stuff, and he's just cruising, just
cruising. Going.
Yeah,
Awesome.
he was very smooth, and with this car, it's very important.
Yeah. Was it a lot faster than the other two cars?
Yeah.
Nice.
A lot faster.
Awesome.
That was
Cool.
good. I like it.
Awesome. I can't wait. All right.
Yep.
Speed Vegas is done. Phil got to drive
Had to drive
three
all
cars.
3 cars.
He had a good time. Did you check your lap times?
I didn't because we were all
Yeah.
jetting out of there pretty quick.
That's
but,
true. Yep.
But it was fun to drive him nonetheless.
Cool. Josh got kicked out.
Yeah, I was too fast for them. I was too fast.
Okay.
Cool. How's press box life treating you?
Sick.
Sick? Nice. Headed to the beach, Phil? Just imagine hucking it off here and just landing 3 deep in there. Cool. What are you doing? You get on the track?
All of them. What do you mean?
All of them? Yeah. What about you, Phil? How do you feel? How many sections are you doing?
I wouldn't do any of them.
One of the bigger guys made it, huh? What do you mean? There's 4 of them in LCQ that made it.
Oh, that took 4?
Yeah.
None of them on the times.
Oh, sorry, yeah.
Congratulations.
Suspension, everything's set, labeled, you know, clickers, oil height, spring rate, everything. So if you had an issue with the fork or shock, you know, on the bike, right? There's just no time to waste, especially a race like this. Spare engines, they look just like this. They go in the cases, right? We ship them back and forth. So we don't take anything apart here. Even if we heard a noise or something sounded funny, we would just switch engines. We wouldn't even try to diagnose it because it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
We can't fix it. Will you wear my gear for opening
I'm
ceremonies?
gonna go out and do. No one's gonna know the difference.
imagine if I wore
I'm just
your
gonna go
gear
roll the
bike?
track. Except opening ceremony, they'll expect me to do a big long wheelie, and that's not gonna work. But I could just go out and kind of.
Excuse me, guys.
So we'll build an outdoor shower. We'll just put a bathroom here, and then that's the easiest way.
That's really cool.
So it gives them their little area to hang out. Then obviously the Air Force has meetings all the time,
Okay.
which is doing right now.
Kind of look at film and that kind
Yeah,
of thing.
Burner does all the filming.
It's Ralph Shaheen. What are you gonna ask him? Nothing to say to Ralph? Is he gonna light the candles tonight? No. Okay. I think he's gonna light the candles tonight. We're enjoying Press Box Live a lot. Yeah. Great views. Ready to watch some racing. Oh, he remembered. He remembered. That's good. Not Marvin remembered.
Watch Villopoto go through the scene and watch him right here.
Supermini action.
I looked at the lap once. Once I saw 2 laps, I went.
Good luck, Blake.
Good luck. He's like, thanks. I really needed that.
Things, dude. Everything good?
Yeah, life's good, man. No complaints. Just enjoying it.
Do you still ride a little bit?
Sweet.
Again. Eli's got this.
There we go. Do it. Do it.
Did you see Moose Scan through there?
That was sick, huh? The moose gets going after him right now.
Somebody left.
Go for it right now. Take that.
You won again.
So we're debating Eli. He's won the first two. Can you collect $1 million?
Phil believes yes.
I think he's got a 90% shot at it.
90%. Josh. Eli Tomac.
It's likely.
It's like I have a feeling it's likely. It just feels like he's gonna do it.
It's looking good, but it's Marvin.
Tomac in the top 3. Send it! Go! Oh!
Look at that.
Yeah!
You gonna get it, Josh?
Yeah.
Everything. Tomac's got it.
It's gonna be close. It's gonna be close.
Percentage pie that Eli goes full Osborne on Savatgy for the win for the $1 million.
Oh! Get him! Go!
Section.
Yeah, he's got the flats really good. No, no!
He's got it.
You let him buy? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
Let him
That's
buy.
so not fair. Let him buy?
Let him buy.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Do you think Monster's gonna
The thing is, I think
that?
Tomac is going to get it.
Wow. Oh my gosh. Wow. He's like, I'll send you your check in the mail after I cash behind Savatgy. Wow. Weege heard it work.
Monster Energy Cup champion, $1 million richer, Monster Energy Kawasaki's Eli Tomac.
Congratulations, man.
Everybody going in there?
Brown. Yeah, I'm going brown.
You did it though.
It's not believable yet, is it?
No.
It's the way you're shaking your head.
It's not right. It's, yeah. That was so sick.
Yeah, it was great.
so sick,
That was
dude.
great. So much fun.
We just like couldn't both just like
Even after the second one, I'm like, I can't believe I'm freaking, you know, like have a chance, you know? Like,
Oh, yeah.
I didn't know if there was going to be enough laps, man. I was like just looking at the times, and I was like, oh, it's you know, he got hung up behind like Mookie for a while.
yep, it was Mookie, huh? For like 2 laps or something?
Yeah, dude. I was like,
Yeah,
you
that-
gotta go now,
yep.
because and then you kind of tried to like get up under him in the after the. And
I just couldn't get
Yeah, dude.
Where am I? What did I do?
It was sick, dude. Good job.
All right, yeah, congrats, man. So you're glad you went.
Yeah.
Glad you went.
It was
Bill?
sick.
No, it was awesome.
It was sick.
Part of the
If
weekend.
I don't have the numbers done to sell my business, I probably will not be glad I didn't go. But right now, I'm glad I went.
Yep, for sure.
It's like 6 in the morning. We're headed back. Got a hockey game at 12, so I'm dragging everybody along this early. Get us back to Arizona for the game, for puck drop. Feeling really stoked to be awake.
Oh yeah, Kyle's driving.
I am driving.
So we're here. We made it. How do you feel? How was the trip?
I'm tired. I gotta go play some hockey though. And then
Okay.
then I'm gonna sleep the rest of the day.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get to work, but we're here. We had a fun trip.